recycling aluminum is big business, y'all. I'm telling you. Aluminum cans, if you set up a station, let's say for instance, I'm gonna give you some straight ideas that make quick cash, because this is long-term cash. Bottles and recycling is collectively not a quick cash item, but it's long-term. I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna give you some ideas, right? If you got a little bit of money, let's say for $100, right? And you can build a cardboard box, right? With a circle in it, right? You can put your advertising on that box, right? Put it four-way square. You got to make at least about 4 or 5 feet with a hole in it, right? A hole enough, small enough to put cans in it, right? You take it to the high volume, right? High volume, like people who work by soda machines, all this. Put it right by the soda machines. Put your advertising on there, what you're gonna sell next, or put advertising of a client there so you can market that business, their business on each side, like one side for that person, one side for yours, and so forth. And the best front row, you charge a higher item while you're collecting cans.